good day everyone. I am Matt Willard Desichan, and for today's video, we will be downloading the Windows Server in VirtualBox and making a web server. Firstly, we have to download the ISO file of the Windows Server 2012 RT. And to do that, we will be going to Chrome. Windows Server 2012 R2. Click the first link and we will be choosing the 64-bit edition. Click download and wait for it until it is downloaded. Meanwhile, we have downloaded already the ISO file of the Windows 2012 server. So we will just begin selling this since we have the ISO file already. And here it is.
So in this part, I will be configuring the VirtualBox to install the Windows Server. My name is Ilio Lascanio and this is my part in the video. So I have already downloaded the ISO file. Let's configure the Oracle VirtualBox. In here, we're not going to delete Ubuntu. Instead, we're going to create a new virtual machine. Let's just type in the name Windows Server 2012 RT, and it will automate the type, which is Windows, and servers 2012 for the version. Next, we're going to set the base memory as 2 gig and then processors into 2. We're going to create a virtual hard disk and then let it finish. In here, we have now created our new virtual machine, but we need to configure it. So let's go to settings. Look at the system if there is something that we have done wrong. Set the video memory to max. Then in here, we're going to select this image file. And then in here, choose or create a virtual optimal disk. We're now going to put the ISO file that we have downloaded, which is this one. Open that, choose, and then open.
Good day everyone, I'm Marcos Esteban. In my part, I'll be installing the Windows 2012. Okay, I'll be pressing start here. Okay, we will just press it as a default. Just press the install now. We will be choosing the Windows Server 2012 standard evaluation with server with GUI. Just wait it, or then we just look at this license term, and we just set the just click here next, and press the custom. Here, just click next. Okay, we need to press start now. We will be setting the password as password. Enter.
In this part, we will going to configuring a local server. Configure this local server. Then we will set up the computer name. Then click the change. Then we will set up the server. Then okay. Then restart later. Then in this part, we will go to the Windows update. Then turn on automatic updates. Then we should go back. We will now see the install updates automatically using Windows Update. And the first part we will going to do is the Ethernet. We will set up the IP address. Right click. Then we will go to properties. Then IP version 4. Then properties. Then in this part we will set up now the IP address, which is 10 0 0 2 and 50. And subnet mask. And subnet mask 255 dot 255 dot 0. And the default gateway, which is 10 0 2 then 2. And the DNS server, which is 192.168.1.1. Then we will okay, then close, then close.
My part. So in this video, I'm going to set up or configure the IIS web server 2012. So click dashboard, then we will click add rules, then next. So select rule based or feature based installation, then next. So in this part, so we will select web server IIS, then add features, click add features, then next, then install. So the installation is now finished, so we will close the window, then close this server manager. So in this phase, we'll now go into the Windows start menu, then we'll go in the administrative tools, click, then select the Internet Information Services, so expand the server, so click, then so we will exit this, then we will select sites, then we will click default, then start. So we'll go now the Internet Explorer, then we will type localhost. Then this is the default web page.
So next is we go to the file manager.
Select this PC, then local disk C. Then we will go in the inetfile. Then www root.
And we will create a HTML file.
We will go back into the Internet Explorer.
To check the file is working. So that's it.